objective really is to have the group in here and have, I guess, what we were calling a tech talk session, and the behind the scenes of a body shop, you know, certified body shop for Porsche, just to lightly touch on what it takes to fix a car, how do we do it, the equipment, the process.
This has been the holy grail of tech sessions. We've been trying to get this tech session for about 3 or 4 years. Finally, with them coming into the new facility, they've got the space. And we have so many members that really wanted a peek behind the scenes. They wanted that Oz moment, the Wizard of Oz moment, where they would actually go and see what happens with the levers and the buttons and how they're turned and actually how stuff happens.
We do a lot of race cars. You typically, like, this would be a total if it was a street car. You wouldn't be fixing this.
There's quite a few people that hadn't seen the meat and potatoes and behind the scenes at Stuart's, that's for sure. To be able to walk in and see and actually be intimate right there with, you know, with the shop. And that's part of what we wanted to do, so they could kind of understand the nuances other than, you know, dropping your keys and talking to a service writer.
There's an art to every step of this business behind the scenes.
And so what that gives our members is the peace of mind that maybe if their car is damaged, they know that they can come in here and they can trust Stuart's. Why? Because they've actually seen it. So these tech sessions really do a great job of teaching and informing our members and giving them something that they can take away, whether it's do it yourself or understand how to work on or find folks that can work on your cars and do the things to keep the cars running.
It's been great. I've personally been a member of the Maverick Region for a long, long time. And as I started when everybody was here, it's like a big family. It's a great social thing to get out and a good reason to drive your Porsche.
I think the next step we'd like to show you guys, because,
Whoops, oh, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Chris, excuse me, sir. You okay?
So a lot of people say, why Porsche? You know, it's a lot about passion. It's a lot about engineering. The folks that drive them tend to be very passionate owners. We like a lot of things about them, for instance, how they handle, how they feel. Myself personally, I've owned 16 Porsches over the years. So Porsches really distill all that passion that a lot of us have in mechanical things and help us to distill it into a passion for cars.